Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you all how you can see your mutual friends on Snapchat. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to watch full video till the end, then you will know how to do that. And please subscribe this YouTube channel and hit the bell button for new update videos. So first of all, you need to go in your Snapchat account, and then you need to click on plus icon here on profile. Then you need to simply scroll down and you can see here quick add. Then you can see here is your mutual friends. You can see here is mutual friend. Okay, actually this is the only one way you can see your mutual friends on Snapchat. Okay, so guys, if you like these videos, please like these videos, comment, share, subscribe this channel and hit the bell button for new update videos. So see you soon on next videos. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care and bye.